रिद्धि, मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहती हूँ. Have you seen how she is curious to learn English? Yes, you must have seen a lot of kids talking in English, and you must be surprised at how they are talking in English. Or you must be thinking that that is a rocket science. So let me tell you, it's not a rocket science. It's quite easy. If you will be able to think in English, you can speak in English. But only one thing that you will have to do, that you will have to think everything. You will have to think in English. If you are not going to think, nothing is going to happen. Nothing happens overnight. If you are thinking that I will get fluency in English, then nothing is going to happen ever. So you will have to follow some rules, which is LSRW. So you must be thinking, what is this? So let me tell you, LSRW is L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading, and W for writing. In all such rules, the thing that comes first, that is listening and speaking. These are caught. Listening and speaking are caught, while reading and writing are taught. Yes, listening and speaking, this comes first. Or you may say that listening and speaking, these are inherited qualities. How a child used to learn our mother tongue, you may say. At first they used to listen, and thereafter they started imitating, or thereafter they started speaking. So in the same way we have to follow while adopting other language or while learning other languages. It may be any other languages. It is not necessary for learning English, but it is necessary for any other languages. If you will listen, you will be able to speak, or you will be able to think, or you will be able to imitate. So only one thing that is you have to do, that listen. You must go through the newspaper, news channels, which is broadcast, which comes in English. Go through the news channel, and thereafter try to listen how they used to pronounce the words, and thereafter try to imitate such words. Second thing you have to do, that you must read newspapers. You must read articles. In this process, you will enhance your reading skills. And thereafter, the thing that comes, that is writing. You must focus on the writing. If you will write something, then the words that comes in your mind, it will be fixed in your mind. And in this process, your thinking process will develop. In this process, your thinking ability and your thinking process in English, it will develop. And in this way, you will get fluency in speaking English. So it will be better. You must follow LSRW rules. Only then you will get fluency. There is no any shortcuts by which you can learn anything. The only one thing that you have to do, that how to interact with children. So you must go through the simple short sentences, like how are you, what are you doing. If you have to tell her something, if you want a glass of water, then you must say, make a small sentences so that your child will understand, and it will be easy for your child to get the English environment, so that it will be easy for them to get fluency and to learn it. Thanks for watching.